Join us on a journey through the enchanting realm of silver travertine, where nature are destined with timeless sophistication. Get ready to elevate your design game with this exquisite stone, turning every project into a masterpiece that tells the story of luxury and refinement. Let's embark on this adventure and unlock the beauty of silver travertine together. Hello everyone, it's Hossein Ahmadi from Upstone Trading Company. Before we start, please show us some support by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest upload. Alright, let's jump into the first one. Step into the world of luxury with silver travertine. Imagine a palette of sophisticated silver and grey tones intertwined with the veins of pure white, creamy hues, and occasional glimmers of opulent gold. But it's not just about the aesthetic. Run your hand over its textured surface and feel the natural force that added depth and character. And the pattern simply mesmerizing. Whether meticulously arranged or organically scattered, silver travertine enchants with its intricate design, transforming any bed space into the showcase of elegance. Until now, you may have known of Iran standing as one of the world's richest for silver travertine, a testament to the country's mastery in producing this exquisite stone. Across its rugged peaks and tranquil valleys, Iran's vast reservoir of silver travertine tells the story of unparalleled natural abundance and centuries-old artisanal expertise. Delve into the secret of silver travertine and behold its exceptional terrain. Imagine surfaces that can withstand immense pressure, making it the perfect choice for any structural need. But that's not all. It's remarkably abrasion resistant, ensures longevity even in high traffic areas. And when it comes to moisture management, silver travertine excels. Maintaining its pristine condition for years to come. Moreover, this stone adapts effortlessly to any climate, from a scorching summer to freezing winter, ensuring its beauty remains unyielding. And let's not forget its environmental endurance, a sustainable choice that stands strong against the elements. With silver travertine, you're not just investing in a stone, you're investing in a timeless piece of natural beauty that will elevate any space. When it comes to uses, the possibilities with silver travertine are endless. Silver travertine enhances every space with timeless charm, from elegant flooring and stunning wall cladding to luxurious countertops and durable outdoor paving. Picture serene bathroom sanctuary, stylish pool surround, and captivating fireplace surround, all adorned with the natural elegance of silver travertine. Silver travertine remains the epitome of elegance and durability in architectural design, whether used for decorative accent or to enhance exterior facades. Finally, let's discuss the global significance of silver travertine. With its timeless beauty and versatility, no wonder this stone is sought after by designers and homeowners worldwide. From Europe to Asia to America, silver travertine has found its place in some of the most prestigious architectural and design projects globally. So whether you're planning a renovation or simply seeking inspiration, consider incorporating silver travertine into your space. Its unparalleled beauty, durability, and global appeal make it the timeless choice that will elevate your design to new heights. Thank you for joining me on this journey for the world of silver travertine.